Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are learning Cambridge Mathematics for grade 2 unit 12 time. Okay, last time we have learned unit 7, which was actually in this book there are two units which are helping us to learn the time. Unit 7 we have done. Now we are working on unit 12, telling the time. Okay, your concept is already clear. Now you can see the different clocks are here.
They have different time.
Yeah, they are showing the different time. The time from morning to evening and evening to night. Okay, it is very much helpful unit. It is very much helpful unit in our daily life as well. So keep your concentrate here so that you can understand each and everything easily. Understand? Now what is the first question? Count fives to find the answer. Why we are using this table? Do you know? What does it mean? 5 ones are?
5.
5 ones are 5. We have to count fives in
5
to find the 5 twos are
5 2s are 10.
10.
5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s
5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20.
5 5s are 25.
5 fives are 25.
5 6 are 30.
5 sixes are 30.
5
Five
7s are 35.
5 sevens are 35. Sorry, 35. 5 eights are
5 8s are 40. 5 9
5 8 is equal to 40. 5 9 equal to 45.
5 10s are
5 10 equal to
5 10s are 50.
5
5
10 is
11s
equal
are 55. 5 12s are
60.
60.
Understand? So why we are learning the 5 table here? Can you please tell me?
Because we have to check
Because it is helping us to
to tell the time.
tell the minutes. Okay, for the time, whenever we are looking at the analog clock, when you will look at the analog clock, you will see that there are numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and there are, you can see as well, if I will do zoom like this, and you can also see that how many numbers are there? 12. It means there are 12 hours. Okay. One day contains 24 hours. How? But why it is written that 12? Because 12 hours in a daytime and 12 hours in a night time. Okay, understand?
Yes.
So this analog clock is telling us the time, but there are only 12, but we have 24 hours in a day. So it means that 12 hours in a daytime and 12 hours in a night time. Okay, and there are, we have learned already, there are 60 minutes in an hour. Okay, so to find out the minutes, we will learn, we have to learn the table of 5. 1 minute is equal to 5. If in analog it is written 1, so it means that 5 minutes. If it is 2, it means that 10 minutes. We have to multiply 2 with 5. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. So that's why we are learning the table of 5. Table of 5 is helping
It's very
us.
important.
Yeah, it is very important. It is helping us to find the minutes in an hour. Okay, now you have understood that why it is written 12, because 12 hours in a daytime and 12 hours in a night time.
Yes.
Okay, why
Should I
it is
tell you the
written
time?
1, 2, 3? Because 1 unit is equal to, if okay, there are another thing as well. I would like to tell you there are two types of needle you can see. One is a big needle and one is a small needle.
There are two.
Yeah, so there are two types of needle. Basically we have three types of needle in analog clock, but now at this stage, at this point, we are learning only two needles. Okay, one needle is small needle is telling us hours.
Hours, and the big needle is telling us
Minutes. Okay, so only in for the grade 2 students we are teaching minutes and hours, that how they can come to know about the minutes and how they can come to know about the hours. Understand now? And we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. I'm also giving the link in the description, so you can go back to the video to the unit 7. There is also one paper notes over there where I have recorded that how many minutes in how many seconds in 1 hour, how many seconds in 1 minute, and how many minutes in 1 hour, how many hours in 1 day, and how many days in 1 week, and how many weeks in a month, how many days in a month. So these are all things are written over there. Just go through this video. It is incredible, so that you can learn by heart. The students can learn by heart. Understand? Up to now everything is clear. Why we are learning the 5 table? Because we are, when we have to tell the minutes in a hour, so we have to use the 5 table. Okay,
Should I tell you the
yes,
time?
wait. Now it is done. Here now we are working on question number 2. Draw a line to match the time same. Like it is written.
This is fine.
It is written in analog. This is called analog clock, and this is a digital clock, or in words. It is written in words, but in digital clock we write like this. It is not a digital clock. It is in words. Okay, time in words. It is in analog clock. If we want to write this in digital clock, if I'm writing this first one, small needle is on 5 and big needle is on 12. What does it mean? 5 o'clock. So this is called digital clock. In digital clock we write the numbers in this pattern, but in words, if we have to write in words, so we will use this pattern. 5:30, 5 o'clock in English means half, few words like this. This pattern is called the time in words. Okay, fine. Now you have understood. This is a digital clock, this is analog clock, and now this is a time in words. Now what we have to do, we have to read the instruction words carefully. Read the instruction words carefully. All the time I'm telling to you, try to read these instruction words carefully, so that you can understand what you have to do. Draw a line to match the time that are the same. We have to match the time here. This is in this clock, what is this?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. So this is a 5 o'clock, 11:30. No.
The
5
second
o'clock,
one, yes.
second one. So we will match like this. Now we will go towards another clock. That is another clock now. And what time it is? Small needle.
8:30.
8:30. Why this is called half past 8?
Because the big needle is on 6 and the
Yes.
small needle is on between 9 and
9 and 8. When the needle is between 9 and 8, so we will follow the small number.
Yes.
So in 9 and 8, which one is the smallest small number? 8 is the smallest small number, and 8 is here, and 6 is showing. If we will and I will show you that the importance of 5 table here. If we will multiply this 6 with 5, then it will become 6 5
6
is
5
equal
that
to 30. And when there
So
is
we will
written
write-
30,
So we will write 830 in digital.
in digital we will write 30 at 30, but I am not discussing the digital because the students will get confused. So now you can see this is 6. If the big needle is on 6, it means we have to multiply, because big needle is showing the minutes, and for the minutes we have to multiply the 6 to 5. So we have to multiply 6 with 5, and 6 5 is equal 30. And you know that this is, if we will divide this clock into it, this is also very easy way, that if we will divide this clock in this way, so half portion is here and half portion is here. So this is when our clock, when our needle is on 6, it means that this is half past. Half past means half hours has gone. Half past 8 means half hour has gone. 8 of, that's why we are saying in words half past 8. Okay, I'm writing clearly so that you can understand easily. This clock we will match with this, and this clock will be matched with this. Half past 8. Now we are moving towards this clock, so you can see
I can
here.
I can tell it.
Yes.
Half past 3.
Half past 3. Again, I would like to give you the concept that the small needle is showing the hour, as you know, and small needle is between 3 and 4. So what does it mean? That we have to follow the small number, and the small number is 3. In 3 and 4, the needle is between 3 and 4, the small number is 3. So we will follow the 3. Okay, and we know why we are calling it 3. Students can ask to me that this is why you are calling this 3, but you said that we have to multiply with 5. So dear, when we are asking minutes, when and which needle is showing minutes? Big needle. Big needle is showing minutes. So when there is a small needle, so we will not multiply with 5, we just say wherever our needle is. Okay, so this is 3, and the big needle is on 6. Now we know that we know very well that 6 big needle is on 6. It means 6 we have to multiply with 5, and then it will become 30. Now we can say 3:30, or we can say half past 3. In words we will say half past 3. Okay,
Now
the answer of this one is 5 o'clock, half past 8, and now the answer of this one is half past 3.
and the third one is half past 11.
Half past 11. Now you can understand easily, because big needle is on 6 and big needle is showing the minutes, and then that's why we have to multiply 6 with 5. So you have to learn by heart the table of 5 if you want to if you want to calculate the time. Okay, so that it will become very easy to you. Now here the small needle is in between 11 and 12, so we will count the small number, as I have told you in last 3 clocks. So we will count 11, because 12 is greater than 11, so we will count the 11 small number. So 11 and 6 means that 30, and 30 means that this is half. If you cannot understand with the concept that 60 30 is a half of the 60. So you can just learn the concept by fraction, like this is half, completely half. Two halves are here, 30 minutes here, 30 minutes here. So this is called half past. 30 half past, half hour has gone and half hour is going to be complete. Okay, now I think you have understood this concept. Now one more time, so that clearly you can understand, and you can stop the video and write the answers. Okay, so that we will move towards the second question. Okay, this is all about this one. Now we are moving towards page number, this was the page number 182. Now we are on page number 183. 183. Okay, we have to read. In this unit you will find out how analog and digital clocks show the time in different ways. So we know that this is the analog clock,
and this is the digital.
Listen, this is an analog clock and this is a digital, as I have told you already. Okay, so digital clock is telling us exact time and it is not confusing. Fine. Now we have to learn about the analog and digital clock. Okay, you can read this one. Our train leaves at 20 past 10. Now read this one.
I wonder what Jan 20 will look
like
on my watch.
If we are looking at in the digital analog clock, so how the 10:20 will be there, and if we are looking in digital clock, so it will be easy, just 10:20 like this. So reading digital clock is very easy for the kids, but analog is also easy, but we have to practice for this, so that because this is very much important in our daily lives. Now the unit 12.1 telling the time. What we are going to complete, what we are going to cover here: read and record the time to 5 minutes on analog and digital clock. Find out what is meant by quarter past, quarter to, the hour. Okay, so these concept we are going to learn. What we are going to learn: time to 5 minutes in analog and digital clock, quarter 5, quarter past, half past, and quarter 2. Why we are saying quarter 2, why we are saying quarter past, why we are saying half past, and why we are saying 30 minutes too. Okay, so all these things we are going to learn in this unit, in this lesson 12.1. So these are the difficult words: analog clock, digital clock, quarter past, quarter to. Okay, now this is
read the question?
Yes, wait. Now this is before starting our exercise, we will read little bit theory so that we can understand. You need to be able to read and record the time. After completing this unit, you will be able to read and record the time, so that you can be in the correct place at the correct time. For example, if you want to go to school at 8 o'clock, after completing this unit, you can come to know when the 8 o'clock will be there, so that you can reach. You will see the clock, and then you can start preparing to go to school, and you will, in this way you can reach to the school on time. If you don't have clock, or you have clock but you cannot read the clock, you don't have ability to read the clock, so what will happen? obviously you will not come to know about the time and you will be late. So this is the best way to tell the time. Telling the time means that means you can meet the friends, catch a train, or a bus, or go to the cinema to watch more, or go to the school on the time. So this is very much helping us. Okay, so this unit, again and again I'm telling to you, this is very much helpful unit in our daily lives. Okay, and now you have also understand the importance of learning 5 table, how much important it is, Okay, now we are starting our exercise 12.1.
Can I read the
Question number 1. Yes, read the question number 1.
How many minutes are in 1 hour? 60.
How many minutes in
60.
1 hour? 60 minutes in 1 hour. Now read the question.
How many?
Zara wrote 12 as the answer to the question 1. How could I explain the correct answer? How many minutes are in half an hour? In 1 hour we have 60 minutes, but in half an hour,
we have 30,
half an hour
30.
means, yes, half of the hour, 1 hour. So we have 30 minutes in half an hour. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, try to write these answers so that I can move towards page number 185.
Or you can pause the video.
Okay. Now we are moving towards page number 185. We have done 184. Now we are moving towards 185. And the question number, now this is the question number. And these are the instruction words. Must read the instruction word before going towards the question. Instruction words are very much important. If you read the instruction word carefully, you can come to know that how you have to solve the question.
Without the question word, without the question
instruction words, you cannot understand what the question is saying. Okay, make analog and digital clocks to show the correct time. The time is written in words. We have to write
this in digital and analog.
This time into the digital clock and into the analog clock and into the digital clock. Understand?
Yes.
Now the question is 20 minutes past 10. 20 minutes past 10. It means that first, if we will write first digital, in digital. Okay, now we will do like this so that you can understand more. Question is this: 20 minutes past 10. It means if we will write in digital, it will be very easy. 10, 20. Now it is very easy because 20 minutes. How many minutes are there?
20.
20 minutes. And how many hours are there?
10.
10. Okay, so in digital clock, first we will write hour and then we will write minute. H is showing hour and M is showing minute. So in digital clock, first we will write hour and then minute. 10 is hour here, and here it is written 20 minutes. Yeah, means the minutes are 20.
It is looking at.
Yeah, so yeah, just you will write 20 here and this is become 10, 20.
No.
And now we are moving towards our analog clock. So how can we find? We can find the hour. Okay, we know that we have to use 2 types of needle. One is small needle and one should be big in size. Big needle will show the minutes and small needle will show the hour. So here how many hours are there?
10 hours.
So we will not put the small needle. we will not put the small needle exactly on 10, but
No,
it
we
will
have
be
to
in
between the 9 and 10.
between 10 and 11.
Alright.
Between 10, if we will put between 9 and 10, so it means it is,
It is 9.
9:20, not the
10.
now the small needle will be on 10, and now you will tell me where will be the big needle. This is written 20, but we don't have 20 in our clock, so how we will?
We have to read 5 table.
Yes.
When it will come 25.
Yes.
4.
5 ones are 5.
5 4s are 20.
5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15, and 5 4s are 20. So you will
told you.
put the small needle towards 4. Oh, sorry, big needle towards 4, because big needle is showing minutes and small needle is showing hours. Now you have come to know the importance of 5 table, because it is written 20, but there is no 20 in our clock. So we have to multiply 4 with 5, so that you can come to know 4 5s are 20.
And you don't have to make 20.
Yes. Okay, we can write in digital clock direct 20, but in analog clock we cannot write, because this is the standard way of standard design of clocks, so we cannot write 20 in the clock. We will multiply to find the 20. Where is the 20? 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and 5 4s are 20. It means the big needle will go towards 4. Understand? Now you can write the answer of this one, and then we will move towards another question.
You can pause the video.
Yes, you can pause the video and you can write the answer of this question, and then we are moving towards another question. Now we are moving towards another question, that is this one. If yes, this one. 30 minutes, question is 30 minutes past 11. So what does it mean? We know that 30 is a minute, so we will write minutes here. We know that in digital clock this is minute and this is hour, and how many hours it is saying? 11. So this is 11:30. It is very easy, we have written in digital. Now we are in analog. 11 is hours, so the small needle will go towards 11 and
but not
12. Exactly on 11, but it will be between 11 and 12.
And
Small needle.
If we don't have 30, we have to count to 5 tables.
5 table. Now because there, if we cannot say if we don't have, we don't have. It is confirmed. It is confirmed. We are not we are sure about it, 100% sure about it, that there is no 30 in the clock. Okay, we are sure, 100% sure that there is no 30. So 30 is a minute, and now we have to find. Now we have to find 30 by multiplying by using the table of 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5. 5 1 is equal. Actually, the reading of table is like this: 5 1 is equal to 5. But the children are in a hurry, so there are 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Not like this actually. This is 5 1 is equal 5, 5 2 is equal 10, 5 3 is equal 15, 5 4 is equal 20, I'm sorry, 5 5 is equal 25, and 5 6 is equal 30. So the big needle,
11,
so big needle is only big needle is on 30. Big needle is on not 30. 6. it will be exactly on 6, not here and there. It is exactly on 6. So this is 5:30, sorry, 11:30. If it will be, it will not be exactly on 6, so it not exactly 30. Okay, so if there is written 30, so your needle must be on 6. Now you can write the answer of this, so that we will move towards another question.
Now we have to move. Pause the video.
Now we are moving towards another question. Okay, this is 10 minutes past 8. If it is written like this in words, so you can understand easily. 10 is written with minutes, so how many minutes are there? 10. So, and we know that in digital clock, this is minute area and this is hour area.
We have to
And
write
this
8
is
here and 10 here.
yes, this is hour, 8 hours.
Write it neatly.
8 hours, and how many minutes? It is 10. Done. Now 10 minutes past 8. Now what we have to do?
Make a small needle on between 8 and
It will be little bit away from 8, because
And
not too much time has passed.
but
A small needle is showing the hour, and the
And
big needle is on
2.
2, because there is no 10. Now we have to read the 5 table again.
We don't have to do like this. There is 10, but we don't have to make big needle.
Yeah, very good. Because big needle we cannot put here. We have to find 5 1 is equal 5, 5 2 is equal
10.
10. So the big needle will go towards 2. Okay, so this is the big needle and this is the small needle is on 8. Now you can write the answer of this one, and then we will move towards another question.
I think this is the last one.
Not last one. 3 questions are here and 3 questions are here. Let it open completely. Now we have this one. Now the another question is, yes, 5 minutes past 7. So we know that 5 is a minute, and
so minute will come here, and
so we know that this is the area of minute and this is the area of hour. So how many hours are there? There are 7 hours. How many minutes are there? There are 5 minutes. So where is the 7? And we know that the small needle will show the hour. 7 is here, so this is the small needle. And where is the 5? 5 is not written anywhere, so we will count the table of
5.
we will count the table of 5. We will read the table of 5. 5 1 is equal 5. It means 5 minutes is here. So the big needle will go towards 1, because 1 means 5. Okay. This is analog clock, this is digital clock. Write the answer of this one, then we will move towards another question. Now understand. Now we are moving towards another question.
I think now to the last.
Now towards another clock. Let it open completely. This is the second last, and after that we have the last clock, and we then done. Okay, now the question is 15 minutes past 12. It means, what does it means? This is digital clock, this is hour, and this is minutes. So how many hours are
12
there?
and 5
12.
15 minutes.
So, and how many minutes are there?
15.
15 minutes. Okay, understand now. After writing in digital, we are very easily we can find in the analog. So the small needle will go towards 12, and the
Not
big
exactly
needle
on
big needle will go towards, because there is no 15. So what we have to do, we have to read table of 5.
Can I read?
5 1 is
Can
equal
Can I read? 5 1 is equal 5.
Five.
5 2 is equal 10. 5 3 is equal
15. So this is 15. So big needle will go towards exactly 3. So this is the answer in analog, and this is the answer in digital clock. Write down the answer, then we will move towards another question.
Pause the video.
Okay, pause the video and write the answer of this one, so that we can move towards another question. This is very much easy, very much interesting, very much useful. We can say this is very useful unit, because every day we need to see the time, every day we need to see the minutes, every day we need to see the hours, every day we need to see the analog clock and digital clock. It is very much important. Yes.
In the mobile there is digital, and we have in our home we have analog
and digital as well. And in our mobile also it is, there are both ways that we can, so you have to learn in both ways. Okay, now we are moving towards another question. This is also very easy and very important. Again and again I am telling to you, this is very easy as well as it is very important. So that's why I want to make this lesson for you very easy, so that you can understand easily. I think another way, this is, let it open and then we will know. Now this is our last question.
No, the purple one was our last.
I think we have, wait. Now we have to see the page number.
Which page was
this,
it?
This one. The page number was 185. So we are doing this one, the last one. Okay. Now what is the question?
25 minutes past 9.
9. Now you after this a lot of practice, you are easily you can write. You are able to write easily. This is hours, this is minutes.
Hours.
And this in digital, this area is hour and this area is minutes. So you can write easily how many hours. This is hour. 9 hour. How many minutes? These are minutes. 25 minutes. In analog, what we will do, how the hours and minutes are showing. Small needle is showing hour and the big needle is showing minutes. So the small needle will be towards between 9 and 10, little bit over there, because it's not exactly on 9. And now we have to find the 25 and we have to use the table of 5, so that we can come to know that where is 25 in the clock. 5 1 is equal
5.
5 2 is equal
5 2 is equal 10.
5 3 is equal
15.
5 4 is equal 20. And 5 5 is equal 25. So the big needle will be exactly on 5, so that we can come to know that this is 9:25, and in words we will say 20 minutes past 9. 20 minutes past 9 means 20 minutes has been passed, has gone. And in digital clock we will simply write 9:25. This is the easy way to learn by heart all these things. Okay, just you have to learn by heart the thing that hour is showing with the small needle and the minutes are showing with the big needle. And for the minutes, this is a tip for you that for the minutes you have to use table 5 so that you can understand. Hope you are understanding all the things. Again, if you have any question, I will share so many worksheets related to this. I will share the workbook unit 12 from the workbook as well, so that you will do the practice and you can solve all these by yourself for the practice, so that you can understand more and more. Now we are moving towards page number 186. Let it open. Now we are on page number 186. This is the page number 186.
What we have to do in here?
This is page 186. Now these are the examples. We have to read this instruction, then we can come to know what we have to do here. Make the analog and digital clock show 20 minutes to 5. So this is the same as we have done previously. 20 minutes to 5. 20 minutes to 5 means, now there is little bit tricky. This is little bit tricky. 20 minutes to 5, it means that there are 20 minutes remaining to 5. Okay. In the last we were doing 20 minutes past 5, so we will,
it was very easy.
We will write we were writing 5:20, but now it is 20 minutes to 5, means 20 minutes are remaining to 5 o'clock. If this type of question are coming, 20 minutes to 5, if this type of question are coming, so what I'm giving you a very easy tip to you. If the question is to 5, it means 5 is not in the clock, so in the clock this is 4 o'clock. Okay. And where is the when the 20 minutes are left, this is the 15 minutes, and there is 20. It means that 4:40. Very good. Our big needle is on 8. After 8, if you will count that 5, 10, 15 and 20, it means when this 20 minutes will be covered, then there will be 5 o'clock. Right now there is no 5 o'clock.
It is going
to yeah, it is going to 5 o'clock. It is not 5 o'clock. 20 minutes to 5. So hours, this is hours and this is minutes. Minutes we know, minutes. So hours, what we will do for hour, just we will go back one number back towards from 5. So 5, before 5 what will come? 4. Okay. And how many minutes is it is saying? 20 minutes it is saying, means we have to count from here 5, 10, 15 and we have to count from here 5, 10, 15 and 20 minutes are remaining. So our needle, small needle is in between 4 and 5, because 5 is not, this is not 5 o'clock. So the small needle is between 4 and 5, not exactly 5 or not exactly 4, and the big needle will be on exactly 8. Okay, big needle will be exactly on 8. The small needle will be between 4 and 5, and the big needle will be exactly on 8. So this will become, so what we will write? 4:40. Okay, after 40 there are 20 minutes. After completing this 20 minutes, then there will be 5 o'clock. Understand? Here the answer is also written.
That's why I was telling from here.
Okay, done. Now you have learned the concept. If this type of question are coming, so you don't need to count the 5, you need to count 4. And you don't need to put the small needle exactly on 4 or exactly on 5. It will be between 5 and 4.
The answer will be wrong.
Yes, if you will put exactly on 5 or exactly on 4, then the answer will be wrong. Understand? Now we are moving towards, this was a page number 186. Now we are moving towards page number 187. And 187, it is the same like this. These are all for practice. Make the analog and digital clock to show the time. So these are the instruction words. As I told you, must read the instruction words. Okay, now this is 10 minutes to 4. Means how many minutes are remaining to 4 o'clock? There is no 4 o'clock. So it is written 4. So we will go back one number from 4. So after, before 4, what will come?
Before 4, 5.
3. So we will write 3. First we will write in digital clock so that we can understand easily. Okay, I will do like this so that you can understand easily. 10 minutes to 4. Okay, to 4, if it is written past 4, so we will write exactly 4, but it is written to 4, so we will not write 4. We will write one number back, means we will write 3. This is hour and this is minutes. Okay, so this is hour 3 and 10 minutes. So where is the 10 minutes? 5 and 10, means this is, we will multiply with 5, then it will become 10 5s are 5 10s are
5 10s are
50. So there will be 350. Okay, now we will use the needle and to write the analog clock. We will the small needle will be in between 3 and 4. Okay, and the big needle will be towards 10. 10 means 50. And here it is written 10 minutes to 4. So now it means after 10 minutes there will be 4 o'clock. Okay, now we are moving towards another example, so that if we will do practice more and more for these examples, we will come to know that how we have to write. In the previous page we have discussed past, but now we are learning the concept of to. Now this is written 25 minutes to 1. 25 minutes to 1 means we will not write 1, but we will go back one number, we will go back. So this is 12. Okay, hours is, this is hour and these are minutes. So here we will write 12. And how many minutes are remaining? 25 are remaining. So it means the small needle will be towards 12 and the big needle must be on 7. Big needle will be on 7. It means there are, now you will count 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. After 25 minutes there will be 1 o'clock. So right now the time is 12:35. Okay.
Okay.
In digital clock we will write 12:35. It means there are 25 minutes are remaining to 1 o'clock. Understand now?
Yes.
Now we are moving towards another example. There are bundles of examples so that you can practice these examples and you can learn the concept of time, that how can you watch the time in your clock at your home. Okay, at your home, at your office, in your class, in your school, everywhere. It is incredibly important. It is very, very important, I can say. Okay, now this is 5 minutes to 10, and the 5 minutes to 10, oh sorry, I'm very sorry, 5 minutes to 2. So what does it mean? 5 minutes to 2 means that there is no 2 o'clock, there is 1. We will write, this is hour, this is minute. Now I think this concept is clear to you, that there are 5 minutes to 2 means 5 minutes are remaining to 2 o'clock. So the minutes will go, the big needle will go here and the small needle will be in between 1 and 2. Means after 5 minutes there will be 1 o'clock. Oh sorry, there will be 2 o'clock, but right now this is not 2 o'clock. So we will write 1:55. Means after 5 minutes, because we know that there are total 60 minutes in an hour. So after 5 minutes there will be 60. It means the clock, the big needle will be on 12 and it will be 60 minutes will be completed, and then there are the another hour is started, which will be 2. Okay, now we will write 1:55. So the answer is 1:55. Small needle is in between 1 and 2 and the big needle is on 11. So 11 means if we multiply with 5, then 511 is equal 55. Okay, fine. Up to now everything is clear to you. Now the last example is written. You can just pause the video and write the answers. Okay, up to now everything is clear. Now we are moving towards another question, that is 15 minutes to 6. What does it mean? That this is not 6 o'clock, this is 5. We have to go back one number. So before 6 what will come? 6. 5 will come. Before 6, before, if I am saying after, then 7 will come. Before 6 you can see in the clock as well. This is 6. 6 is not.
Before 2, 1.
So before 6 there is a 5. So R is 5 and the minutes, how many minutes? 15. Means 15 minutes are remaining to 6 o'clock. Okay, so here we will write 5. The small needle will be between 6 and 5 and the big needle exactly on 9. Look, after this one 5, 10, 15 and then there will be 6 o'clock. The big needle will be exactly on 12 and the small needle will be exactly on 6. Then it will become 6 o'clock. But right now here it is 5:45. How we come to know that 45? Because 9 multiplied by 5, it means is equal 9. 5 is equal 45. Okay, and with the help of needles we will show the big needle is on 9 and the small needle is in between 6 and 5. Because this is not 6 o'clock, after 15 minutes this clock will be complete and then after 15 minutes it will be 6 o'clock. Okay, fine. Now up to now everything is clear to you. I desperately need the water because my throat has become very dry. Yeah. Okay, now guys, we are moving towards, hope you are also enjoying to watching this video and you are also understanding the thing. The purpose of this foundation, one more time I would like to tell you, the purpose of this foundation is to just spread the knowledge, is to spread the education, is to make the education free of cost, and the educational access must be for everyone equally. It is also a teacher's guide, you can say. This is helpful for the students as well as for the parents as well, for the teachers as well. It is most important for the teachers and the parents who are so much worried about their students, their kids, and they need to enroll and they need to hire a very expensive teacher. So it is very easy, just with a single click you can have access. Or if you want more practice sheet, just you can text me and you can write me, like other students and other parents are contacting to me, and I'm providing the material for their practice. So you also can do like this. Okay, purpose of Jawadulmanzoor Foundation is to spread the knowledge, is to spread the education equally for everyone. Why we are serving online? Because online opportunity is for everyone. If there is also physical, but in the physical we cannot cover throughout the world, but online is giving us the opportunity to cover the students from throughout the world, so that everyone can understand, can learn. Okay, now we are coming back towards our work. This was page number 187. Now we are moving towards page number 188. Okay, actually I have to upload the videos of all of the subjects almost, so that's why I'm making one video for one unit. I cover complete unit in one video, because there is so much problem that I have to do for other subjects as well, and I cannot find the time for this. Okay, now another page is page number 1. This is page number 188, and we are learning the concept of quarter past. Okay, let me read this one. What is the difference between the quarter past and quarter to? Quarter past and quarter to, the same difference, like minutes, 15 minutes to and 15 minutes past. Past means the time which has gone. To means the time which is going to be covered. Okay, so the concept is same. Past means that something, and quarter means that 15 minutes. In quarter 15 minutes will come. If it is quarter past or quarter to, quarter means 15 minutes. Okay, and past means that the time has gone, means 15 minutes has passed, 15 minutes has gone, 15 minutes has covered. And quarter to means that 15 minutes are going to be covered. Okay, so if the big needle is on 3, so it means 15 minutes are gone. This is called quarter past. Okay, means 15 minutes have completed. And if the big needle is on 9, it means quarter to, means 15 minutes are going to be completed. It is not completed, it is going to be completed. It has completed and it is going to be completed. Understand? If it is 12:15, it means quarter past 12, means 12 o'clock and the 15 minutes have passed. Understand? If it is 12:45, it is means quarter to. If it is written 12:45, it means quarter to 1. Means after 15 minutes there will be 1 o'clock. Okay, we will read little bit this one as well. At the quarter past, the minute hand on the clock, the checkpoint on the 3. I have told you that if there is a past, so the big needle will be on 3. Okay, here it is written, the digital clock will show hour in number and 15 minutes. Okay, why 15 minutes? Because 3 5 is equal 15 and the big needle is on 15, so here we will write 15. And quarter to, now we will read this one. Quarter to, the minute hands on the analog clock points to 9. So I have told you that if there is quarter to, so the big needle must be on 9. It means 9 5 is equal 45, means the 45 has been covered. Only the 15 minutes are remaining to the next hour. Okay, 12:45 means 45 minutes are covered. Only these 15 minutes are remaining to 1 o'clock. Because after 12, what will be the number? 1. In the clock you can see what will be the number? 1. So 15 minutes are going to, okay, 15 minutes are remaining to 1 o'clock. 12:45 means 15 minutes are remaining to 1 o'clock. Okay, this was all about the explanation of quarter past and quarter to. You can learn by heart with the easy word, as we do in English, past, present and future. So past means what time it is, which has completed, which has gone, which never come back. So past, this is past. Time has gone away. Time will never come back. So this is called past. And to means it is going to. Okay, fine. Now we are moving towards the page number 189. Okay, the page number 189. Here you can see, first we will read the instruction words. Complete the clock and write the time in words. So we have to write the time in words and sometimes in a digital clock as well. And here the clock is here the time, in analog clock everything is ready, just you have to write in words. In words we know that how we have to write: quarter past, quarter to, half past, half to. Is these type of words we will use if we want to write the time in words. Okay, in which the number and words both are included. And in the digital clock, let's see how we will write. Now this is written, the small needle we can see is on 2. So we will write in digital clock we will write 2. Small needle, as we know that it is showing hour, and here in digital first is we will write hour and then we will write minute. Small needle is on 2, it means 2 o'clock. 2 and big needle is on 3. 3 we will multiply with 5 is equal 15, so it will become 2:15. Understand? First write the answer of this one, so that I will remove this and we will write. Okay, fine. Now in the digital clock it will be 2:15. It is very easy to write in digital. Now in words what you will write? 3 means you know that quarter. Quarter means you know the fourth part. if we will divide this clock into the 4 parts, so this is the 4th part of the clock. So we will write 2:15 in digital, and we will write quarter and 15 minutes has gone. It means quarter past. Quarter past means 15 minutes has gone. Quarter past, and now we will write clock quarter past 2. Now we will write R. So the answer of this is quarter past 2. Okay. Now we are going towards another. This is the needle is in between 6 and 7. So we will not count 7, we will count 6, small number 6, and the big needle is on 9, and 9 means 9 in 5 is equal 45. Okay, so this is 6:45. Now we will write 6:45 means 15 minutes are remaining to 7, or quarter to 7. So what you will write? Quarter, 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 because 15 minutes are remaining to 7, so we will not write past, we will write quarter to, means 15 minutes. After 15 minutes it is going to be 7 o'clock. So the answer is this one. Understand? Now write the answer of these two, and then we will go towards another. Now this is in digital clock it is written. Just we have to write in analog, and we have to write in words. Okay, now we are doing like this. This one 12:40, 10:45. 10:45 means the big needle, the small needle is in between 10 and 11, and the big needle is on exactly 9. So this is 10:45. And how we will write this one? Because after 15 minutes there will be 11 o'clock. So we will write quarter, QUARTER, quarter to 11. Okay, the answer of this is quarter to 11, and the big needle is on 9, the small needle is between 10 and 11. It means after 15 minutes there will be 11 o'clock. Now we are moving towards 4:15. 4:15 means now we are moving towards 4:15. 4:15 means 4:15 means that the small needle is on 4 and the big needle is on 3. Okay, and we will write in words quarter past, because 15 minutes has gone. Quarter past 3. Okay, now the answer of this one is quarter past 3. You can see the spelling of quarter. If you cannot see here clearly, so you can just see from the previous page. Okay, now we are moving towards another page. This is 189. Now we are going towards the page number 190. Now please come here. 190, page number 190, and we will read the instruction word. Complete the clocks. Draw the ring around the correct day time of the day.
I can do that.
This is there are three options are given. Three options are given: morning, afternoon, and evening. And here it is written 4:45.
Afternoon.
Not evening.
No.
It is 4:45. Means
evening.
4:45 means, and in the evening time most of the kids go outside to play. According to the picture you can also see. So here we will circle around this evening. In the evening time most of the kids go to play. Now here we will make 4:45. 4:45 means, what does it mean? That 15 minutes to 5 o'clock. 15 minutes to 5 o'clock means big needle will be on 9 and the small needle will be on 4 and 5, and we will write 4:45. It means that after 15 minutes there will be 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Okay, and according to the picture you can also see 4:45 means evening time. So with this and with the help of this picture also you can understand that this is not the morning, this is not the afternoon, this is the evening time. Okay, understand? Now you can circle around the evening. Now this is 3:15. 3:15, and you can see that the kids are going towards home from school.
So afternoon.
So this is the afternoon, and 3:15 means that the both needle will be on, big and small both needle will be on 3, and here it is written 3:15 because 3 is showing hour, and if we are counting the minutes, so 3 we will multiply with 5, then it will become 15. So the both needle will be on 3. So this is called 3:15 or 3:15. And here is the answer is afternoon. This is not the morning time, this is not the evening time, this is the afternoon. Okay, neither morning nor evening, this is the time. Yes, afternoon. Now it was again very easy. The question number 6 we have completed, and this was the page number 190. Now we are moving towards the page number 191, and it is going to be very late and we have to go to school as well. Okay, we have to stop the video. Sorry, I'm not stopping the video anymore. Just write the answer of this one, and just only 2 or 3 pages are remaining. We will complete this unit by today, and inshallah you will do practice for this. If you have any question, again and again I am telling to you, ask to me. Okay, now we are moving towards the page number 191. This is the page number 191. Again, what we have to do, just you are looking that 7:45. 7:45, and you can see the sun through the window, and you can see that he is taking a breakfast. So what does it mean?
Morning.
This is the morning time, and so make a circle around the morning. And 7:45 means this is not 8 o'clock. If the condition is like this, 7:45, so you have to go back one number. So before 8 what will come? 7. And 7:45 means you know very well 45. And how you will write the 45? Big needle will exactly on 9 and the small needle 7. And so the small needle will be between 7 and 8. Small needle will be between 7 and 8. It means that after 15 minutes there will be 8 o'clock. 7:45 means after 15 minutes there will be 8 o'clock. Now the another word is quarter past 8. Quarter past 8 means, and you can see which time is the showing this picture. There is a dark in the room, only the
Evening.
only
There
the
is no.
this is the dark in the room, and this is the quarter past 8. This is not morning, this is not afternoon, this is the evening
I
time.
told you.
Yeah. Okay, now how we will make quarter past 8? It is very easy. Past, quarter past means 15. 15, where will minutes, how many minutes are there? 15, and 15 minutes are will come on 3, and the big needle will be on 3, and the small needle will be on 8, and here we will write 8:15. Okay, so it is very easy again. Okay guys, it is very easy. This was the page number 191. If still you are not understanding, still you are feeling a problem, still you are facing a problem whenever you are teaching to your students, whenever you are teaching to your kids, so you can without any tension you can ask to me. Okay, just help to your kids to in learning. Okay, now we are moving towards look that what can I do after completing this unit. What can I do? This was the last chapter, last page of this unit. So they are asking what can I do. I can read and record the time 2 minutes 5 on analog and digital clocks. Can you?
What?
Yes. Can you record the time 5 minutes, or and I can read and record the quarter past, quarter to the hour in analog and digital?
Yes.
Yes. So if you can understand, so be happy. Why are you taking tension? Now we are moving towards the page number 191. Now page number 191 has completed. Now we are moving towards the page number 192, and here you have to check your progress, that what you have learned, what you have not learned. Here this will tell you that the progress. This will tell you the progress. Which clock show? This is the time to check your progress. Either you have learned or not. If you haven't learned, you cannot solve this page. It means you haven't learned. So you have to repeat the same thing. If you have you can solve this page easily, so it means that you have learned. Good. Now there are the question number 1 is which clock show quarter to 11. Okay, here 2 clocks in digital and there are 2 clocks in analog. So which clock is showing quarter to 11? Here first we will read this clock. The small needle is on 11 and the big needle is on 3. 3 means 15. It means and 15 means you know that quarter past, so this is the wrong. It is not showing quarter to. In this clock you can see that the big needle is on 45, big needle is on 9 and 9 means 45, and the small needle is in between 10 and 11. It means 10:45, and 10:45 means quarter to 11, means after 15 minutes there will be 11 o'clock. So this is correct. This clock is showing quarter to 11. Okay, I am removing all the other lines, only I will make the correct line. And which Which clock showing quarter to 11? This clock showing quarter to 11 in analog. Quarter to 11 if you have found in analog, so it is very easy to find in digital. It is written 10:45, so where it is written it is 11:45. No, this is not quarter to 11, this is quarter to 12. It is written quarter 10:45, it is a quarter to 11. So these two clocks are showing quarter to 11. Understand? Now another question, and the last two questions are remaining. Okay, now question number 1 is completed. You can okay, now we are moving towards question number 2. Show each time on analog and digital clock. 25 minutes past 3. It means 25 minutes past 3. Past means the time which has gone. So we will write 3:25. It means that 25 has gone. 25 minutes has completed. Okay. 3:25. And where will be the 3:25? The small needle will be on 3 and the big needle will be on 5, because 5 is showing the minutes and 5 is equal 25. So big needle will be on 25. Here 20 minutes to 12. It means 12 o'clock after 20 minutes. So when I have already told you that if there is written 2:12, 2:10, so you have to go back to one number. Before 12 what will come? The 11, and the small needle will be on 11 and 12, in between 11 and 12, because okay, small needle will be on between 11 and 12, and the 20 means 11:40. Big needle will be on 8, so we will write 11:40. Now 5 minutes to 6. It means 5 minutes are remaining to 6 o'clock. So we will not count 6, we will count 5. And 5 minutes means 5:55. It means the small needle is in between 5 and 6, and the big needle is on 11. So this is 5:55, means 5 minutes to 6. Means after 5 minutes there will be 6 o'clock. Quarter past 9. This is very easy. 9 o'clock is big needle will, small needle will be on 9 and 10, and the big needle will be on 15. 15 means quarter past. 15 means 3. 3 means 3 5 is equal 15. So we will write 9:15. So the answer is 9:15. Now we are moving towards question number 3. Oh, this is 12:27 night time. You know that I'm making a lecture in the night time when my kids have gone sleep. Now this is Sophia drew a picture. Sophia drew a picture of herself brushing her teeth at 10 minutes past 8. She forgot to write morning, afternoon, or evening on her picture. Which time of the day it could be written? 10 minutes past 8 means 8 minutes, 8 o'clock, and 10 minutes, 8:10. So this is the morning time. So what is the answer of this question? Is morning. MORNING. Okay, so at what time she has brushed her teeth? In the morning time. Okay, fine. Hope guys you can understand this unit. You have understood this unit. Again, if you have any problem, you can ask to me, you can just write me, you can just WhatsApp me. And in the next video I will share the solution of workbook. This was all about the learner's book. We have discussed all the topics, we have discussed in details all the topics in the learner's book. Now in the next lecture, what I will do, I will share the complete solution from the workbook, and also I will share few few examples, more examples regarding this, so that you can practice for this. Okay, and whenever you're learning this unit, you try to practice at your home, because you have a analog and digital both type of clocks at your home. So try to involve your kids, practically show them, not only in the book, show them practically. You have your clock in your bedroom, in your dining room, in your every room almost. You have your clock in your mobile. Show them practically, ask with them what time it is, what time right now. Try to ask with them so that they can understand the importance of unit time in our daily life. It is guys, unit of time is very very much important for everyone, not only for the students, for everyone. It is for very much important. Who has a who wants to learn how to read the time in the clock, this is the best unit for them. Okay, so try to involve your kids and show them in a daily life example, so that they can try to learn. If they are going to school, say to them what is the time right now. If they are coming back from school, so ask, go and tell me the time. Don't say to them that I am teaching you. Just involve them in a practically. Just say, I'm bringing dinner, what time it is, go and see. This is your madrasa time, what time it is right now. You have to go to at 5 o'clock for the tuition. So look how much time is remaining to 5 o'clock. So try to use these type of tips and tricks with your kids, so that they can understand, because this unit is very much important. In this stage they will learn, and they can tell to others. Okay, so this was all about this unit and the importance of this unit. We have learned how we'll watch the time in analog clock, how we will watch the time in digital clock, and what is the quarter past, what is quarter to, what is half past, and what is half to. So these all concepts we have learned in this lesson. Now I think we have learned in very detail. Now just do practice. Okay, best of luck.